Some moves in the market look random until you realize the clues were there the whole time, just hidden. The indicator I'm showing you today exposes those clues. It quietly tracks the shift in pressure before the candles actually show it, so you get a clear idea of what's about to happen. No guessing, no overthinking. This strategy works on any market, Forex, crypto, or stocks. And today, I'll walk you through how to set it up, how to read every signal correctly, and how to confirm perfect buy and sell entries step by step. All right, I'm on TradingView. Let's add the first indicator. Click on Indicators and search EMA Trend Meter. It's the one created by Colin Mack. Add it to your chart, and you'll see it appear just below the candles. It looks simple but powerful. 4 colored lines made up of EMAs and a stochastic RSI baseline. Each candle forms a square that changes color depending on the trend direction. Green means bullish, red means bearish, light gray means bullish momentum on the stochastic RSI, and dark gray means bearish momentum. Now here's the basic idea. When all 4 lines turn green, there's strong bullish pressure in the market, and the probability of price advancing is high. When they all turn red, bearish momentum dominates, meaning price is likely to decline. But the default settings make the signals too sensitive. They keep flipping with every small move, creating noise and false triggers. So we'll fine-tune them. Open the settings of the indicator. You can do that from here. For the EMA baseline, set the length to 8. Then set the fast EMA to 13, the medium EMA to 21, and the slow EMA to 34. These are Fibonacci numbers, and they help smooth out the structure beautifully. Fibonacci ratios are like the invisible rhythm of financial markets. You see them in natural growth patterns, waves, and price movements, and they tend to align with the natural flow of the market. For the stochastic RSI, keep the K% and D% lengths at 3, and set the RSI length to 21. After that, also change the stochastic length to 7. These are going to be all the changes we will do for this indicator. Once you've applied these settings, notice how clean the signals become. The colors stay consistent during short pullbacks instead of flipping back and forth. When 3 EMAs stay green, it means the market is in a confirmed uptrend. When they're red, it's in a downtrend. The stochastic RSI serves as your short-term confirmation. When it turns light gray, it signals bullish momentum confirmation. When it turns dark gray, it confirms bearish momentum. However, during sideways markets, you'll still get false flips. You can see it happen here. All EMAs turn red, and the stochastic RSI turns dark gray, but price barely moves and quickly reverses. That's a ranging market. To fix that, we'll add another indicator that filters out those flat conditions and keeps you from entering at the wrong time. So for that, open the Indicators tab again from here. Click on Indicators again, and search Andean Oscillator. Add the one created by Alex Grover, add it to your chart. You'll see 3 lines: green, orange, and red. When the green line is above the other 2, it shows an uptrend. When the red line is above the others, it signals a downtrend. And when the orange line is on top, the market is consolidating or ranging. This filter perfectly complements our EMA trend meter because it tells us when not to trade. Now let's put everything together and talk about how to actually trade with this setup. Let's start with a buy trade example.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
We first look at the Andean oscillator. First of all, we want the green line to cross above the red line and then move above the orange line. That's the sign that a new bullish phase is starting. Once the green line is securely above both, we shift focus to the EMA trend meter. For confirmation, all 3 EMAs should be green, and the stochastic RSI should turn light gray. If it's still dark gray, we wait until it switches to light gray while the other signals stay aligned. Once that happens, we enter a buy at the opening of the next candle. Stop loss goes just below the most recent swing low, and the take profit is set at 1.5 times the risk. Let's see a live example. So right here, we can see the green line crosses above red, then orange, confirming trend strength. The EMAs turned green, and the stochastic RSI flips to light gray, perfect alignment. So all the conditions are fulfilled, and we can open a buy trade here. Stop loss goes just below the most recent swing low, and the take profit is set at 1.5 times the risk. The key is to wait and carefully enter a trade only when all the conditions are fulfilled. If you add your price action analysis also and keep that into account also, while opening a buy or sell positions, you can eliminate more false signals. Now for a sell trade setup, the logic is reversed. We look for the red line in the Andean oscillator to cross above the green and then above the orange line that confirms bearish dominance. Next, the EMA trend meter should show all red, and the stochastic RSI should turn dark gray. Once all those align, we enter a sell at the open of the next candle. Stop loss goes above the last swing high, and take profit again is 1.5 times the risk. Here's an example. You can see the red line cross above both lines in the Andean oscillator, trend shifts bearish, all the EMA turn red, and the stochastic RSI turns dark gray. The setup is clean, the confirmation is clear, and we are confident that if we open a position here, the trade should move in our favor. Now, one thing you'll notice is that these signals hold well during trending markets, but can still fail during flat conditions. That's why patience is key. If the orange line in the Andean oscillator is on top, it means the market is ranging. Best to skip trades during those periods. Waiting for the clear transition where green or red takes control will filter out most losing setups. This strategy is effective because it combines two layers of confirmation: trend strength and momentum synchronization. It's not about catching every move. It's about catching the right ones. Just remember, no strategy wins 100% of the time. The key is consistency and risk control. Try it on your charts, test it on different pairs or assets, and see how well it filters your trades. That's it for this one. If you learned something new, hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next video. I've got more indicator-based strategies and live examples coming up that'll take your chart reading to the next level. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.